After a bumpy start to the year, a flat session today was blessed relief, although the individual moves weren't all that small. It's just that the falls by banks and retailers were offset by gains among the mining companies. Two of the biggest moves were Ansell, which dropped 14% on a profit warning, and ARB Corporation, which makes bull bars, among other things. It jumped 8% after reporting a big lift in sales. Wall Street ended a wild week with a solid session on Friday, up 2%, largely thanks to a strong quarterly update from Apple, the world's largest company. The main thing worth mentioning on commodity markets is a big rise in the price of liquefied natural gas, while iron ore and oil also rose and gold fell. And the Australian dollar is up slightly at 70.2 US cents, having got as low as 69.7 last week. Now, today's tidbit of economic data is credit aggregates from the Reserve Bank, and everyone's borrowing like mad. Owner-occupied housing loans are the strongest in 13 years, and investors are back as well. And businesses are also lining up for loans. Business credit growth is above 8%, the strongest since the GFC. But look what happens if you extend that chart back to the 1970s. Before the GFC, business credit growth hit 25%. In the late 1980s, before the recession we had to have, it was 30%. And even in the depths of the 82 recession, it was 10%, which is more than it is now. Context is everything. And finally, here's a graph of the Australian Open total prize money since 2010, when it was $24 million. This year, $74 million, with Ash Barty and Rafa Nadal each making $2,875,000. And that's finance. Thanks for watching. You can check out more finance news by clicking there. And don't forget to click subscribe down there to get all the latest updates from ABC News.